Introducing the amzn.to M1, a groundbreaking cleaning device that elevates home hygiene to the next level. The M1 combines versatility with powerful technology designed to efficiently clean and sterilize your home in a single pass. With the ability to vacuum both wet and dry messes, this device tackles all types of surfaces effortlessly, from carpets to hard floors. Incorporating cutting-edge features, the amzn.to M1 offers a handheld vacuum mode for precise cleaning in tight spaces. The fellow Espresso Series 1 marks a significant expansion in the company's lineup, stepping into the world of espresso machines with a product designed for both newcomers and experienced baristas. With a price tag of $1,500, it's positioned within the higher-end market, but offers exceptional value through its customizable features. Unlike many competitors, the Series 1 allows full control over brewing parameters, including temperature, pressure, extraction time, and steaming. When every second counts, whether you're racing daylight on a mountain trail or commuting through city chaos, you need gear that works fast and right. Enter the AirVot, a 4-in-1 tire inflator engineered for smart, high-performance inflation on the go. Compact, yet mighty. It weighs only 7.4 ounces and is built with a cordless frame that fits effortlessly in your palm, backpack, or glove box. Cyclists, bikers, campers, and ballers, this one's built for you. Introducing the Head Pop Focus, the first of its kind in smart skincare technology. This revolutionary device combines cutting-edge features to deliver a professional-grade skincare experience from the comfort of your own home. With its focus mode, the device delivers a consistent, pulsing action to effectively remove blackheads without causing any damage to the skin. Built to handle harsh conditions and designed for professionals on the move, the Galaxy Tab Active 55G is a workhorse in a compact 8-inch frame. Powered by an octa-core processor and available with 6 GB RAM and 128 GB of built-in storage, this tablet doesn't shy away from heavy multitasking. Expand your capacity further with up to 1 TB via microSD, ample room for documents, high-res images, and complex apps. Introducing the Boio 2.0 Booklight, where precision meets innovation for a truly refined reading experience. Designed with the modern reader in mind, this light ensures your pages are perfectly illuminated, allowing you to lose yourself in every chapter without distractions. The Boio 2.0 combines style and function, offering a sleek, compact design that easily adapts to any reading environment. Face AI is a breakthrough in AI-driven communication, designed to transform the way you interact with technology. This sophisticated holographic assistant goes beyond simple virtual assistants, offering a seamless, multidimensional interface that combines advanced AI with lifelike projection technology. With FaceOwl, productivity skyrockets as it integrates smoothly into everyday tasks, whether you're working, studying, or managing personal projects. When your household runs on battery-powered devices, wasted time and energy sorting through half-charged cells can slow everything down. That's where the Olight OStation X steps in, built not just to charge batteries, but to redefine battery management altogether. The OStation X doesn't just power up your batteries, it smartly handles them from start to finish with a seamless process. Analyze, charge, sort, and store. Thanks to its integrated superchip, it recognizes battery size, type, polarity, and health. The Craft Geek Max Plus Selfie Stick Tripod Stand is a game-changer for content creators who value versatility and portability. With its new Max Pro Plus design, it integrates 2 cold shoe mounts, making it ideal for those who need to attach both lights and microphones while shooting. This allows you to enhance the quality of your photos and videos, whether you're indoors or outdoors. The tripod extends from 11 inches to 60 inches, offering flexible height adjustments to suit different angles, making it easy to capture shots from any perspective. Beneath a sky blanketed in darkness, clarity takes form through cutting-edge optics. The Yashica Vision isn't just a pair of night vision binoculars, it's a gateway to the unseen. Precision crafted to transform your night adventures, it delivers vivid 4K UHD full-color imagery, even when the light fades to near nothing. With a 3-level IR illuminator, it penetrates total blackness, revealing details up to 1,968 feet away. A versatile lighting solution for any job site or workspace, this cordless hybrid tripod stand light offers powerful, adjustable illumination in a compact design. Standing at 5 feet high, it can easily collapse down to a mere 22 inches for convenient storage and transport. Capable of delivering an impressive 2,700 lumens, it ensures that large areas are brightly lit, making it ideal for demanding projects or outdoor tasks that require ample lighting. Level up your mobile workstation with the amzn F3, new arrival's 14-inch portable triple-screen laptop extension. Designed to bring the power of a triple-monitor setup to your laptop, this sleek and compact extension delivers a seamless productivity boost. Each of the two side-mounted 14-inch displays offers crisp 1080p resolution, built with IPS technology for wide-angle clarity and vivid visuals. Whether you're multitasking spreadsheets, editing media, or managing code, the Ryobi 40-volt 450 cubic feet per minute jet fan blower is a powerful and efficient tool designed to handle demanding outdoor tasks with ease. Equipped with a jet fan design, this blower delivers a robust airflow of 450 cubic feet per minute and a wind speed of 120 miles per hour, ensuring that even the toughest debris is quickly cleared from your yard, driveway, or garden. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, while the lightweight construction helps reduce user fatigue. The Tavala Smart Oven 5-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven combo is designed to simplify meal preparation without sacrificing flavor. Whether you're in the mood for air frying, baking, broiling, reheating, or toasting, this versatile oven delivers top-tier results. Equipped with smart technology, it automatically combines cooking modes to ensure every meal is cooked to perfection, all with the push of a button. With over 30 options each week, prep time is a breeze, taking just 1 minute. The meals cook in 25 minutes or less, offering gourmet experiences without the hefty price tag. The Oyo Gym offers a breakthrough in portable fitness, providing an all-in-one solution to build muscle and burn fat effectively. Weighing only 2 pounds, it features up to 25 pounds of resistance per hand, making it ideal for strength training and cardio routines, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. This innovative design targets your chest, back, arms, core, abs, and legs, with an emphasis on functional movement and muscle balance. Harnessing cutting-edge optics and intuitive AI, the Insta360 transforms your workspace into a professional broadcast setup. Outfitted with a powerful 1/2-inch sensor, it captures nuanced detail in sharp 4K clarity, complete with HDR and stellar low-light handling. Whether you're lit by studio lamps or a desk lamp, the image stays vibrant and balanced. The real magic unfolds with phase detection autofocus, delivering rapid, tack-sharp precision with every movement, perfect for live demos or dynamic calls. Out here where outlets don't exist and adventure runs wild, Solar Energy S delivers critical backup when it matters. This retractable solar power bank carries an immense 40,000 mAh capacity, ensuring your devices stay powered from sunrise to nightfall. Designed to harness full-band solar charging, it captures every ray across the spectrum, keeping your energy flow uninterrupted. Whether you're hiking rugged terrain or traveling off-grid, Solar Energy S keeps up with your pace. Meet Luna, the robotic companion that blends intelligence, playfulness, and affection. This unique pet isn't just an advanced piece of technology, but a friend who will quickly become part of your daily life. Whether you're coming home or just moving around the house, Luna is always there, eager to follow and interact with you. Her excitement is contagious as she happily responds to your touch and attention. Luna is more than just a playful robot. She's smart, with cutting-edge features like a high-definition RGB camera and a powerful CPU, capable of 5 TOPS of computing power. The Samsung NZ6 900TM integrates innovation and style with a cooktop that enhances both performance and design. Offering a powerful 575M32H ventilation system, this hob captures cooking vapors and odors swiftly, ensuring your kitchen stays fresh without the need for a separate hood. This clever design allows for flexible installation, even on an island table, while keeping the air clean and crisp. In a world where communication barriers crumble and creativity flows freely, the Monoease PG2 stands as a revolution in your ears. These aren't just earbuds, they're a portable intelligence hub packed into a sleek, ergonomic design. Built with cutting-edge GPT-4o and DeepSeek R1 AI engines, the Monoease PG2 transforms your listening and speaking experience across borders and platforms. Set your desk in motion with a precision-crafted kinetic fingertip flip skill toy built to mesmerize. Designed to flip, roll, and fall with a natural rhythm, this skill toy invites repeated interaction through effortless balance and unexpected movement. Compact and smooth, at just over 2 inches long, it fits perfectly in your hand or pocket, ready to engage your focus whenever the need strikes. The kinetic fingertip flip skill toy is more than just a visual trick. It's a desk companion that relieves tension, sparks creativity, and trains dexterity. In a world where screen fatigue is common and meaningful play is rare, a new form of chess learning has emerged, one that unites tradition with innovation. Sense Robot offers a transformative way to learn, play, and connect through chess, complete with a robotic arm that makes every move tangible. With 25 adjustable AI levels mimicking real-life ELO ratings, you'll always have the right level of challenge across the board. Beyond the game, Sense Robot teaches. Dive into 14 introductory and 11 beginner courses that break down piece movement, rules, and opening strategies in an intuitive step-by-step format. Designed to roam your home with intelligence and care, the Rolla Pet Pal camera robot from Enabot is more than a pet cam. It's a watchful companion. With a stunning 2.5K QHD resolution, it delivers crystal clear video, ensuring you never miss a moment. Whether you're checking in on your cat's lazy stretch across the living room or your dog's excitement when hearing your voice, Pet Pal keeps you connected from anywhere. Its movable body glides across hardwood or carpet, covering every inch of your space. Keep your plants healthy without the hassle. Smarty Plants uses advanced sensors to monitor every aspect of your plant's environment, providing real-time insights right on your device. Gone are the days of wondering why your plants aren't thriving. Smarty Plants makes plant care easy and effective. With its user-friendly app, you'll receive instant notifications if your plants need water, light, or any other adjustments. The sensors track temperature, humidity, soil moisture, and more. The EasyPlay 1S is a compact and versatile music keyboard designed for both beginners and experienced musicians. Its 25-key 3x5 layout provides a convenient and portable option for creating music on the go. Additionally, the EasyPlay 1S offers an impressive 8 hours of continuous playtime, making it a reliable choice for extended sessions, whether you're practicing, composing, or performing. Wherever you are, at home, on the road, or mid-travel, your health shouldn't wait. The BMO 4-in-1 Multiscan delivers real-time health insights in the palm of your hand, helping you care for your family or yourself with accuracy and speed. Built with 4 advanced medical-grade sensors, this compact handheld tool monitors temperature, cardiovascular, and respiratory systems, and supports telehealth integration, giving you a complete health snapshot in under 60 seconds. Bamo goes beyond temperature checks. Record a full 1-lead ECG in just 30 seconds to detect arrhythmias like AFib, then share it instantly via HealthLink for a specialist review. Available within 24 hours. The COR pump is a powerful and compact solution designed to elevate your kitesurfing experience. With a maximum output of 15 psi, it ensures fast inflation, reducing pump time by up to 50%. Its travel-size design makes it convenient for carrying to your next adventure. Whether you're heading to the beach or the lake, this pump is ideal for all types of kites, paddleboards, and even car tires, offering versatility in one portable package. The Anchor 3-in-1 Power Bank is engineered for convenience and versatility, making it an essential accessory for those on the go. Its foldable 30-watt plug ensures easy portability while providing fast charging for a range of devices. Available in both 5,000 and 10,000 milliamp-hour capacities, this power bank can efficiently charge your smartphone, tablet, or other electronics multiple times without needing to be recharged itself. Minimalism meets precision with this thoughtfully engineered monitor light bar, tailored for professionals who demand clarity without compromise. The wireless controller puts full brightness and color temperature control at your fingertips. No fumbling with buttons or cords. Whether you're diving into detailed CAD work, editing late into the night, or simply browsing, this light delivers uniform illumination with zero screen glare. Its space-saving clamp design clears desk clutter while maximizing screen real estate. Rokid Max AR glasses bring the future into your hands, offering an immersive, cutting-edge experience for both work and play. These lightweight glasses feature an impressive 50-degree field of view, providing a massive 215-inch screen that mimics the experience of watching a display 6 meters away. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, it guarantees smooth, vibrant visuals, making gaming and media consumption extraordinary. The LodTech Heated Ice Cream Scoop revolutionizes your dessert experience with its innovative design. Engineered for effortless scooping, it utilizes thermal conductive materials that heat up to a maximum of 113 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to easily scoop even the hardest ice cream. The scoop's maximum peripheral temperature reaches 158 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring smooth and effective service. Elevate your game time with a handheld engineered for versatility and performance. The Absolute One Pro blends portability with power, offering smooth access to retro titles, remote play from your console, and seamless cloud-based gaming, all in one device. Whether you're revisiting 16-bit classics or streaming the latest AAA releases, this unit delivers consistent results through its responsive controls and stable connection. The 7-inch Full HD screen delivers vibrant visuals with crisp clarity. Snowcap redefines cold plunge recovery with its cutting-edge all-in-one water cooling lid,